All right, geometry students, we're going to look at Unit 1, Lesson 19, which is about evidence, angles, and proof. Our lesson goals are, I can label and make conjectures from diagrams. So we're going to have a diagram of some picture, and we're going to label and make some statements about them, and then figure out what's true and what's false. Second is, I can prove vertical angles are congruent. So first we need to learn what a vertical angle is, make a conjecture that those angles are equal, and then we're going to go about the idea of proving it. So our new vocabulary is, we have conjecture, a statement you try to prove mathematically. So we'll make a statement. In this case, we're going to focus a lot on vertical angles and that they're congruent, and then we're going to go about the process of proving that to be true. Vertical angles. When two segments intersect, angles are vertical when they share the vertex and no sides. So here angle 1 has the vertex at A, and here are the two sides. And angle 2 has a vertex at A. They share A, but they don't share the sides. So 1 and 2 would be considered vertical. All right, so here's your work for tomorrow that I need you to bring in. So what I'd like you to do is draw these 4 figures. So we have figure A, which is these lines with the angle marked as 50. Figure B with these segments and this angle marked as 30. We've got C with angle 65 down here. We've got figure D here with the 2 lines and this angle marked as 135. What I'd like you to do is evaluate, mathematically figure out, and try and do these in your head, how big the missing angle is. So for example, in A, we have angle DAB as 50 degrees. I need you to figure out how big EAD is. How big is this missing here? So there's 3 angles in figure B for you to figure out, 1 in C and 3 in D. I need you to figure out those missing angles as best you can. And then that will start our discussion tomorrow. We'll be looking at what you got. You'll be explaining kind of why you think you're right, and then that's going to start our discussion into vertical angles and proving that they're congruent. Thanks.